Do you know how intelligent people consult English dictionary? First, they spell the word with 26 letters. Look at this word. Y-E-A-R. It's a spelling. I spelt it. Then they pronounce it with the help of 44 phonemes. What is written in slash is its pronunciation. Ear. So its pronunciation will be year. Most of the people mispronounce it. They call it ear. It's a wrong pronunciation. Ear is an organ. So its correct pronunciation is year. Year. Then they check its parts of speech, like it's a noun. Then they go for its meaning. The period from 1st of January to 31st of December is called year. Then they make sentence. There are 365 days in a year except leap year, because you know that a leap year has 366 days. In this video, you will learn how to consult English to English dictionary like a professional poet and writer. So keep watching. Hi there, I'm Rajesh Jha and you are watching C for English. In this video, I will teach you how to consult English to English dictionary like a professional writer and a poet. Only 1% people know how to consult English to English dictionary, and you cannot read, write, listen and speak a standard English without knowing this art. Most of the people have the habit of consulting dictionary without knowing 44 phonemes, syllable, word stress and parts of speech. And no one can consult English to English dictionary without knowing them. And I have already uploaded these contents on my channel. So let's get started. In every dictionary, like a standard dictionary like Oxford, Cambridge, first word's spelling is written, then pronunciation is written, then its parts of speech is given, then its meaning is given. For example, look at this word V-E-H-I-C-L-E. It is its spelling. Then its pronunciation is written. Pronunciation is written in slash. First, there is primary stress. Wherever these are, we have to be long and loud. We have to pronounce loudly. So there is primary stress or accent, and then V, E, A, K, L. So its pronunciation is vehicle. It's British pronunciation. It has two pronunciation. First is British and second is American. American pronunciation is, again, there is primary stress. V, E, H, I, K, and L. Vehicle. So its American pronunciation is vehicle. It's a noun, a thing that is used for transporting people and goods is called vehicle or vehicle. For example, cars, trucks, lorries, and others. Vehicles are plying on the road. American English, vehicles are plying on the road. Generally we see first spelling is written, then pronunciation, then parts of speech, then its meaning is written. But sometimes you see in Oxford or Cambridge dictionary, like for example, look at this word G-E-S-E-R-T. So it is its spelling. Then look, now its pronunciation is not written. What is written? Parts of speech is written, like noun and verb. Why pronunciation is not written? Because this word has two pronunciation. As a noun, it has different pronunciation, and as a verb, it has different pronunciation. As a noun, its pronunciation is desert. The stress is on first syllable. The comma-like sign you have seen is called stress, primary stress or accent. Accent, whenever it is, you have to be long and loud. You have to pronounce loudly. So, first there is a stress, then D, E, Z, A, T. So, its pronunciation is desert. Area which is covered with sand and where very little water is found and very few plants are grown. For example, Somalia is mostly desert. So, it's a noun. Its second pronunciation is Desert. Desert. Now look, D, then I, then primary stress is there, then Z, O, T. Stress is on second syllable. Desert. To leave somebody without any help. For example, we shouldn't desert the poor. Now, this has different pronunciation and different meaning. Now look, another word, ask. It has two pronunciation. In British English, we call it ask. Ask. In American pronunciation, it is called ask. It's a noun as well as verb. To ask means work. If I say it's a big ask, it means it's a big work. And as a verb, it means to inquire, to ask question. If I say you must ask a question if you have any doubt, or you must ask a question if you have any doubt. Now look at another example. HIS. Its pronunciation is his. It is pronoun as well as determiner. It is his. His shows possession and it's a pronoun here. But if I say it is his pen, his is a determiner because it is used before noun pen. So next time, whenever you consult dictionary, you must follow these rules. First, spell the word, then pronounce it. If it has more than one pronunciation, also check it. First is British pronunciation and second is American pronunciation. Then know its parts of speech, then go for its meaning. Then only you will be a wise learner. I hope that you will consult dictionary wisely.